Red currants.
Yep, red currants, potatoes, kale, tomatoes, all kinds of herbs, artichokes, beans. We've got an avocado bush.
Oh yeah, grown from an avocado pit from the grocery store.
Peas, Jerusalem artichoke, spinach, corn, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries.
Hi, I'm Kerri.
Hi, my name's Sam.
Welcome to our garden.
I obsess over the hops in my garden.
I am very excited about vegetable gardening, so I like to grow a huge variety of different kind of unusual vegetables back there.
So here's one thing that, well, a couple of things that I like about it. It's unexpected. Often, what does well one year might not do well the next year, and you never really know what's going to happen. So it's kind of the garden's filled with surprises.
Definitely my favorite thing to harvest in the garden is potatoes. This is like digging up this buried treasure. It looks like such a subtle plant, and then you get to dig it up and find all these little gold nuggets down there. Yeah, I think also one of my favorite garden things is introducing plants that attract wildlife, as well as having the vegetables in there. It's really exciting to be able to see all the different species. Like this year, for the first time, we had 2 different species of grasshopper, which we've never seen back there before. So that's pretty fun. And lots of different butterflies. So yeah. Oh, and a praying mantis. So it's fun to monitor all the different new species that are coming in. Plants that are doing the best this year. Lots of in the beginning, lettuce was doing great. All the leafy greens, because it was such a rainy spring. Tomatoes aren't doing so great this year. They were better last year. But the beans are amazing. Lots of beans. The potatoes are doing pretty good. I forget. Oh, kale. The kale is amazing. What else is good? The hops are pretty loaded. I've been wanting to put the pond in for years. It's because it attracts wildlife. It's like a whole new set of creatures that are going to come towards the moving water, and already we've had so many birds splashing around in there and stuff. But definitely I've been wanting to do it forever. Sam is always the research master, plan master, looking up the depth that it needs to be in order to overwinter the plants and stuff.
Kind of prepared for it, but also winged it. Like we made a few mistakes along the way, but we just fixed them, and it seems to be working out pretty well so far.
Yeah.